One of the dozens of strategies I'm going to share in the upcoming workshop about how to turbocharge your growth in your career is this. Develop a connection with people before you need their help. Have a giver mentality. Give without expecting results. That's why it helps to do this when you don't desperately need anything. The results will come, but their timeline is indeterminate. We cannot control them. And in your workplace, to improve your performance and rewards, make allies, not enemies, to create impact. Understand the power dynamics, but don't use it for selfish reasons. Otherwise, you will only get short-term rewards and miss out on the long-term results. In order to create allies, of course, do great work and also keep in connection with your manager, with your skip level, with other influential figures in the organization, other peers. And you want to do a good job managing up, meaning understanding what the organization needs, where your work fits in the larger context. You want to manage sideways to understand how you can help your peers. And also you want to manage down if you have a team or if you have other junior people working around you. For managing teams, don't be a victim. We want to take extreme ownership. Sometimes we disagree with the decision that the management makes and we can disagree with them. But once we disagree, understand, and then we want to commit to people who are depending on us. So in short, to turbocharge your career, you want to build relationships before you need them. You want to help others, make allies, manage up, sideways, down. And then when the time will come when you need help, there will be plenty of help available. This happened with me at Facebook. There was a time when I got a really bad rating, and I knew during that time I was working well, and I was able to lean on those relationships to go from that bad rating of meets most to amazing rating of greatly exceeds in about 3 months. As I mentioned, this is just one of the dozen strategies I'm going to share in the upcoming workshop. You can sign up for that workshop in the link below or by subscribing to my channel.